Well, here's a look at the market for Tuesday, May 26, 2009 through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. Of course, this video is just a shortened video, usually 4 or 5 minutes long, looking at the market trades and outlook compared to what we post on the website for our members, which is usually about a 15 or 20 minute video, many more charts and a lot more detail. But let's go ahead and take a look at how we saw the market today. We knew that the support area was around 874. We can see here that in the overnight market it only reached down to 76.75, opened here, and then obviously had a very powerful move up. By the way, each of these profiles, this is the overnight session in the volume and market profile. This is what occurred today. This is what we had yesterday during the day, obviously just a small one, and this is of course what happened on Friday. So we can see here that a tremendous move up, fairly close to our expected resistance area. We take a look at the individual profiles themselves. We can see that a tremendous buying surge that occurred early in the day and did have some follow through for the rest of the day and closing in a pretty positive manner. So we're looking at a test of that 911.50 area, and then the next one, next resistance up is at around 922, with around 940 as the next resistance area above the market. We had several trades today. Our first two trades caught the market on the long side, getting in here and then getting in again right in here. So we're able to participate in these up moves that occurred. As a matter of fact, the second one we actually stayed in right in through about here, and then we ended up with a short trade. Turned out to be a break even. We knew it was an aggressive one coming in to try and capture some short. I think there might be a bit of a pullback. We ended up by getting out of that trade at break even using one of our time stops. The market then had another couple of opportunities, as you can see, with some deceleration bars here to get short. We only actually were triggered into one of those. It did reach our first objective, so not our second, so break even on that. We had another good deceleration bar here, once again a break even trade. It did hit our first objective, filled on that, stopped out with that same amount but on a loss for the second half of the position, so it was a net break even. When it did break through here on this balance area, we did get short. It did reach our first two objectives on that trade, so we're expecting to come down more to the green line here in the support area. It didn't do it right away here. It did it a little bit later, but by that time we were out of the trade, but did have a nice profit on that trade as well. So all in all, a very nice day of trading. No losing trades today, and a couple of trades with excellent profits on them. So that's what we did on an individual basis with our trades on eMiniDayTrader today. Of course, our trades are defined right to the tick using our software, including our paint bars and balance areas. So there's really no shady area in the sense that it's pretty well black and white as far as whether or not a trade is set up or triggered. Of course, we do get into the more the art form of the trading with our traders as we train them, and of course every night all of these topics are investigated and discussed with quite a bit of depth on the videos that we produce each day. So always trying to add that little extra as far as the support goes. So I think a lot of our traders, for example, the ones that have signed up for the lifetime, is that they realize that there's good value not just in the software but the ongoing support and really understanding market behavior. We'd love to hear from you. Just send us an email at info@eminidaytrader.com or visit our website and view some of our videos, and we'd love to hear from you. So you got any questions or comments, just send them to info@eminidaytrader.com. So that'll be it for a look at the market for Tuesday, May the 26th, 2009.